Stalled in your fitness journey? You begin with high energy, determined to transform your life, but soon small mistakes slow your progress. The excitement fades when missed warm-ups and rushed cool-downs increase injury risks and burden recovery. Inconsistency creeps in with skipped sessions and improper form, leaving you frustrated and stuck at a plateau. Every setback reminds you that fitness isn't just about raw effort, it's about making smart choices. A proper warm-up readies your muscles for action, and a thoughtful cool-down eases them into recovery. Rest days allow your body to rebuild strength, while balanced nutrition fuels every move you make. A few minutes on dynamic stretches and light cardio before and after workouts can transform your routine. When you rush exercises without focusing on proper technique, potential injuries magnify and progress falters. Embracing correct form isn't about speed or weight, it's about quality and longevity. Introducing variety in your workouts challenges your body in new ways, ensuring continuous growth and avoiding tedious plateaus. Now is the time to adjust your approach. Commit to consistency, prioritize rest, and nourish your body properly. Recognize that every small improvement builds lasting discipline and resilience. Celebrate each modest win and learn from every stumble along the way. Transform setbacks into stepping stones and let your journey evolve. Avoid these pitfalls to unlock your true potential. Adjust your approach, stay consistent, and watch the results follow. Rise above frustration with determination and reclaim your fitness future. Transform setbacks into success and rise stronger. Harness your unwavering commitment, overcome every obstacle, and ignite the power within for unstoppable progress today.